we got the schoolie done and have gotten it ready to hit the road. We were hooking up the car to hit the road last week, and the engine just died. Wouldn't crank, and obviously wouldn't start. We checked codes, it threw some codes, and so now this week I was looking around. It was kind of acting like it was a short or a loose grounds, but I couldn't find. I crawled underneath it, looked everywhere for ground wires. But this little box here, I even replaced this whole fuse box because there was some corrosion in it. Brand new one, didn't change anything. There is a solenoid on the back of this box here, right back there, and there's 2 wires going to it to kick it. I can actually put a screwdriver across the top too, and it'll crank the engine but won't start. Then down here where these wires come in, you can see where I put a jumper ground wire from the ground back to where the ground wire hooks in there. It cranks over and fires up and runs. So basically the white ground wire right there is disconnected somewhere, and it happened when it was just sitting idling. Don't know where that is, but I run the jumper ground, and when I do that, everything fires up and runs perfect, no errors anywhere. So just to give everybody an idea of what can happen when your schoolie quits.